Hey, wait, read this before you join. This is my review of ViralUrl. And I just want to thank you for coming along on this. And let's get started. What I found when I checked out ViralUrl, you can see the page right there. So you finally stepped into the world of making money online. You too, like the others, have decided to start with the affiliate programs. Also, you must have heard that it's not a big deal to make good money with affiliate marketing. You must choose the right programs and do some strategic planning. But meanwhile, you promote your affiliate products. So far, so good, right? Promoting other people's products or promoting your own products doesn't matter, because after all, it's nothing but your own business and your means to earn good money. Whichever the case may be, I'm sure you wouldn't want to leave money on the table and invite others to steal your share of the profits, right? Even though the industry of affiliate marketing is pretty competitive, affiliate marketing could be very profitable for you as long as you're cautious and are strategic in your marketing techniques. Take a close look at the affiliate marketing industry. You'll see that not everyone who gets into affiliate marketing is successful. People who are doing well leave no room for failure. They take all security measures and understand its importance. Yes, security is one of the key factors in affiliate marketing. If you do not adopt proper security measures, then your business will be at high risk. One of the most important ways to restore security is to protect your affiliate links. Don't take them for granted. A bit of carelessness on your part in regards to affiliate links may cost you a lot of dollars. You know, the long, complicated links that you send to your prospective customers? Not only do they look convoluted, they can create a lot of problems too. First, if you send that type of an affiliate link to your customers, the smart customers will figure out that you're promoting someone else's product, and they would rather visit the parent company. Also, if your link does not function, then your customers have to type this really long URL into the browser, definitely putting him or her off. You could be a victim of an even worse situation. What if some devious internet pirates steal your affiliate links and replace them with theirs? If they do that, then you get no commission at all. Did I scare you off with the above possibilities? Well, that wasn't my intention. I wanted to open your eyes and state facts that actually happen in the world of internet marketing. It happened with me until I came across ViralUrl that brought a revolution to my online ventures. So if you're not getting the desired results out of your affiliate marketing, don't lose hope. There's definitely a remedy to this problem, and it's called ViralUrl. There's a picture of its logo and everything right there. So, now, do I hear you asking, what is it? And how can it help in averting any adverse situation for an affiliate marketer like myself? Be patient and read on. If you love your business, ViralUrl is a link shortener and cloaker that protects you in every sense of the word, in the truest sense. There may be many unethical people lurking around. They might play with your affiliate links by cutting them off right there where you get paid. They may replace them with their own. No matter how much effort you put in towards building your business, advertising your business, if your links are discombobulated, then all your hard work is useless. To avoid such a rip-off, ViralUrl gives you full protection. They see to it that your affiliate links never get exposed to others. So save yourself from getting ripped off. Get all the commissions to your account that you deserve. All this is possible with ViralUrl. It is a blessing for every affiliate marketer like you and me, people who want to achieve success in their hustle. Is ViralUrl limited to only link protection? No, it does much more than that. Let's see what ViralUrl can do for us. ViralUrl helps us in protecting our commissions. ViralUrl helps in building mailing lists. ViralUrl helps in tracking statistics. ViralUrl helps in receiving extra ad credits. In short, ViralUrl allows us to create massive business leverage. I don't see any negative aspect associated with ViralUrl. All you have to do is join for free. Then cloak your links, promote them, and see your business soar higher and higher. You can get all of the detailed information about the program from ViralUrl site at vir.me/breakthrough. There, you can find several unsolicited testimonials from various users of ViralUrl, like this one. It says, "Hey Frank and Colin, just wanted to say thanks so much. I also wanted to let you know what an incredible service you provide. I've been using ViralUrl to promote many programs and with great success. The guaranteed visitors makes it a lot easier to keep traffic coming to one program while I'm working on another. I tell everyone I know about your program and honestly feel you own one of the few sites in our market that delivers more than promised. Keep it up. Have an awesome day. All the best. Mark Perma," I think that's what that says, from List Auction. And he put that quote by Thoreau there. "Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you imagined." So if you want to protect your business and see your earnings grow, try ViralUrl. You have nothing to lose with it. Thank you for watching. I'm Kevin Langford. Make sure you check out that link. And we've got unannounced bonuses that we're also going to get with you when you join with us. That concludes our recording. So have a great day. And bye for now.